check this out. In my next adventure, stay tuned, because we are going to melt some metal. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it with this metal furnace that my son got me. Check this out. I got some dudes down there. All my broken rings from metal detecting, all that is silver. And all that is going to go in there. And I'm going to make some ingots. I got another mold coming. And I'm going to get some mold to make a nice silver cross. Ain't that awesome? Got little shells over here already. All ready to melt some metal. So stay tuned, because that's coming up next.